Now, to create an assessment based on one standard plus indicators, same as all the other ones, I put in a title. So let's call it multiplication strategies or something like that. Press the subject, mathematics. I can put a value in if I want. Grade and the date. I can change the date to the date of this particular assessment by scrolling on these. Term 2. Again, assessment type, group type, and general information. These are all have these lists already created, but I can edit these lists by pressing this button here to edit the list to whatever I want. So I can back these out and put in whatever I want instead, like Pat, just to show you, and then put save. And you can see here that it says Pat now is a choice. So I'm going to edit these values. I'm going to go back and put review in. And the group type, I can choose the type of assessment this is, a whole class, small group, peer mentoring, and I can edit those values if I want. I'm not going to. And then general information, what this assessment is about, what the students had to do, that sort of thing. After I'm done all this, I'm basically going to press next at the top, which really goes to standards, that next tab. So I'm going to press next at the top. And now it allows me to select the standard for this. So it automatically put in grade 4 in mathematics because that's what my assessment was based on. But I can change those. I can click that or change this to, if I had more standards in here besides just grade 4, it would show the other grades. I only have grade 4 in right now. But I can choose different subjects as well. I'm going to keep it at that. And I'm going to choose number. Up come the actual outcomes for number for grade 4. And I'm just going to pick this one here, NO2. Students will be expected to compare and order numbers. Then I press next. Now, there are no indicators right now for math standards and 02 for this. I can create my own indicators right now. So I can click down here under performance indicator and just type in what I want to track. So I'm just going to make something. I'm going to put track item 1. It could be something like if this is based on multiplication strategies, can they do doubles? That sort of thing. Or maybe another 9 times table strategy. But so whatever item that is, I would put that there at the top. So that's first one. I can click add and add another one, and this would be my second thing that I'm tracking, the second indicator. So I put track item 2, and like again, it could be, I should make it something, I'll say knows 9 times table strategy. And again, there's more than one 9 times table strategy. So I might break that down a little more. But again, so let's say I had this, and I did this I could keep doing this at as many as I want. And then I have to select the ones that I want to include on this. So yes, I want those 2. And I'm going to press next. I will have to select my rating scale. And there's more information on how to select rating scales but in another video. But I'm just going to press the 3-point. And I'll press submit. Now this creates the assessment for these students. And just to press got it here. You'll see if I expand this, it has track item 1, knows 9 times table. So it would have those list of indicators, and I could simply select whether they have it or not, beginning or on your way or whatever. And the next one, on your way. So that's for Anita Bath. And then I can scroll to the next person, scroll down, and do the Igor Beaver, how he did with those particular indicators.